The bikers' menace is on the rise in Chandigarh, and the police wasted no time in organizing a road safety week to rein in youngsters indulging in dangerous stunts. All very good and commendable so far, but their drive ended up endorsing exactly what it aimed to curb. Manaman Singh Chinna gets the story.
The dangerous skid. Acrobatic maneuvering. With wheelies and stoppies. Dangerous stunts being performed in the heart of Chandigarh. Without any safety gear or precautions. Where are the cops, one would ask? Here's the twist. The bikers are in fact performing for the cops, and ironically at a rally organized by the Chandigarh police to promote road safety. But the event ended in advocating just the opposite.
अपने शहर को खूबसूरत बनाना, सिक्योर बनाना, ये हर नागरिक का फर्ज है और चंडीगढ़ पुलिस आज इस रैली के माध्यम से ये बात जन-जन तक पहुंचाना चाहती है.
And that's not all. The cops are not only playing mute spectators, but are also enjoying the biker stunts. Chandigarh's top cops SP Traffic Manish Chaudhary and SSP Nainihal Singh Aulak too in attendance. When Headlines Today asked them about their self-goal, the reaction too was astonishing.
अभी यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा 2 मिनट का शो होगा जिसमें प्रोफेशनल स्टंट ड्राइवर्स दिखाएंगे कि किस तरह से स्टंट एक कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट में रिस्पांसिबल तरीके से किए जाते हैं.
Carelessness on the part of the Chandigarh police. It comes at a time when the stunt biking menace resulted in the death of a youth in the capital a few days ago. But clearly no lessons have been learned, not just by the bikers, but even by the police. With Manaman Singh Chinna in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
And Manaman now joins us from Chandigarh. Manaman, I really can't understand, and I'm sure most of our viewers can't, that why were the stunt bikers being brought in? I heard what you asked one of the policemen, senior police officers there, but clearly they're not expecting to teach people how to do professional stunts and then expect them to be safe on the roads.
Exactly, Maruk. It was a sort of a reverse logic which was being put forward by the SSP Chandigarh, Nainihal Singh Aulak, when he said that the stunts are being performed in order to tell the youth not to perform them. There were hundreds of youth who were present on the sidelines of this event, who were clapping and hooting when these stunts were taking place, and these impressionable young people will definitely try to emulate these stunts, these dangerous stunts which were being done by these bikers who were not even wearing their protective gear. No elbow guard, no knee guards, all those sorts of equipment which are needed by professional stuntmen who do these things, and also they are not to be done on the roads. What Chandigarh police did was it cordoned off a piece of road in Chandigarh and organized this stunt. However, Maruk, I may point out that the IG of Chandigarh has taken a very dim view of the fact that the DIG of Chandigarh, the SP Traffic and the SSP were present at the spot when all of this was being done, and he has asked for explanation from all three of them.